Good morning, good morning. Let's get the disclaimer up here. Trading is risky. Make sure you know what you're doing before you ever start trading. Blah, blah, blah. Please take a moment to read this. I'll give it a second and then we'll get started. The market's going to open in 7 minutes. Oh, didn't I see that was so many? All right, we already had 8 people sign up for the Vegas workshop. So if you're thinking about coming, there's 12 spots left. A few others are signing up today, so we'll have to see. All right. Cool. Good morning. All right. I think everyone read that. Good job. ES, if you look in the bottom right here, is in a $2,200 short. That was off of the crazy GDP report. Also, I'm going to extend this a bit. Let me pull this up. Also, I need to open up my other one. I have 5 new Apex accounts, and I have to load them for today because... Right about it down to 726. All right. Let me open up my other VPS so I can load those. Get this out of the way. I'm going to change this. My other Apex accounts aren't showing. I probably need to save them. Did I save this yet? Yes, I did. All right, let me close this out. Let me change this to a different chart. Okay. I'm going to disconnect so then I can get... I had purchased other Apex accounts last night at right before midnight, and so I want those to be available today because Thursday is typically our biggest moving day. I should also put Santa over here just because we're probably going to get some big moves today. Volatility's moving up. We love to see that. We love to see that. Nope, that's wrong. Oh, also there is a sale. There is another Apex sale. It's 90% off now for 7 days, and that's probably only going to last 7 days. You know, we never really know, but it's probably just going to be 7 days. Template. They said it was going to be 7 days, and they've already been doing a sale for so long. Santa. Okay. All right, I have Santa locked and loaded. Ready for that. I should put, all right, all my Apex accounts are now showing up from the ones I purchased last night. So now I can add them to some charts. Yes. All right, it's 9:28. I got to get these loaded because I actually want to do a bunch on here. Edit. Because now that there's the 90%, I could just go ham. You know what I mean? Give me 1 second. If you're asking any questions, I am not paying attention. All right, I'm going to do that one. 1, 2, 3. And then strategies. I'm just adding more setups to 2, 3, 4. 4? Right, yeah, I'm going to do 4. Load, and then I load the strategy, and then I pick the account. So I'll do this Apex account. Template, load, strategy, pick the account. All right, I gotta hurry up. Template, load, strategy. Strategy, pick the account. All right, I should be good. 41, 42, 43, 44, okay. And then 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I think I'm set up. I think I'm okay. All right, hidden, do this. Are they all transparent? I actually liked the pink and the blue. I might edit one of them. Hold on, I'm going to edit one of them to be magenta. Why is magenta? Where's magenta? Magenta and Dodger blue. I actually like that. All right. All right, it's 9:29. I made it just in time. I got to get on TikTok. There are no updated videos.
Order submitted.
Sorry, I was responding to someone from last night. All right, let me go live. I'm going live on the other account. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go.
Order canceled.
I feel like... All right, so ES is still in. Santa won't come into play for a little bit, so I'm going to keep that kind of down and off to the side. Well, I guess I could keep it here. But this ES is still running in the bottom right. I got to shut this door. There's a glare. Put my glasses on. We got to get ready, okay? Got to get ready for today. Good morning, good morning. If you could share the link in the group, that would be super helpful. I'm trying to get set up. I got to turn my little cash register things on. Did I have the second one? All right, cool. I'm gonna put this one on lower. Good morning, good morning. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every single day. I think my brightness went down because I'm in a dark room now. Excuse me. Excuse me. We are sitting on that 88. Do y'all see that? All right, I turned that down. Did I not make it? Well, I guess I could just keep it like this. That's fine. Oh, maybe because I was already in it. Good morning, good morning. Al Boogie. Yes. I used to be my nickname in high school, actually. And I used to love Lauryn Hill until she came out and said all those racist things. I was like, I don't like you anymore, crazy lady. Apex is doing a 90% sale. They came in clutch. So 80% ended last night. Now they're doing a 90% sale for 7 days. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every single day here on TikTok and on YouTube, showing you my auto trading algorithms, trading on the futures market. If you like futures and you like trading, then you should check us out. I'm going to put my information here at the bottom so you can give me a shout, or maybe I'll put it here at the top. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Just send me an email. Sorry, back to Lauren. No, I don't mind it. It doesn't offend me at all. It actually brings back memories, which I like. Little high school memories. But yeah, ES is in this short. Whoa, look at NQ dropping from that 88. Where are my students at? Did anybody grab that 88? Now at, well, it dropped to 60, now bouncing back up to 75. Good morning, good morning. We went live last night too. We had a lot of fun. I was spitting gum across the desk. Jen would have been like, what the hell am I? What is going on? What happens at night? Random question. Do you know if a good pair of trading software that can be automated? Yeah, mine. You could put mine on forex pairs. I just don't have the settings to give you. But could you do it? Yes. Could you, like, figure out the settings yourself? Yeah. Are you going to go live every night? Hell no. I was so tired last night. I was tired the night before, too. But no, it's too much. It is too much. But it was fun. It was definitely fun. I'm running something new over on my Apex accounts that we'll see if it works or not. Interesting. It's interesting. It's interesting. It takes like 20 trades a day. And it's already taken 2. NQ is back above. The only other, there were no night trades on range.
Order filled.
There was a trade on premium, which was a win for $150. What size Apex do you recommend? 50K, yes. Hey, Big Rod, what's up? Let's go. Oh, this setup is long only. I also forgot that. NQ's giving us what we want. Let's go back over here.
Order submitted.
I wonder why. Was it too many at once?
Order filled.
What? Oh, maybe because ES and YM at the ES and NQ at the same time. Both ES and NQ are long, but I got an error. Oh, maybe because of that other ES. What? What in the actual fuck? What is happening? I gotta look into this. I think it got me in and then it closed me out because it was right there.
Order submitted.
I gotta look at that. ES and NQ are both in longs. I'll see if it can push back up. I wonder if...
Order filled. Order filled.
I think because I was trying to get in too large of sizing.
Order filled.
To... At the same time as ES. Like ES and NQ, they don't typically get in trades at the same exact time. And I had a large sizing on both of them for today. So I think it tried to do that and then it like kicked me out. And then it kicked me out when both of them were like red. And then, so I took a loss. RTY hit. Nice. Oh, I should be an RTY at least. Nope, think I'm not. Oh, I have to reply to that. We'll see. This is a heavy on a short. See, the thing is, this is definitely overlapping with this play. We got to get back above 88. If we can get back above 88, then the market can move back up. But we're at 83 right now. The new one I'm testing also had another loss, so we'll have to see. Nasty, nasty. I want to see if this will actually... I don't know why it's not moving. I might get stopped in this. I'm trying to put it below the low. There we go. Of this morning. Not ideal here. Definitely not. But what happened was it literally went back up into this area and then just went right back down under that 88. It went to 700. It just couldn't hold 700. And it doesn't look like it wants to hold now. Oh, let's see. It hit 61. So it went back to that low of the morning on NQ. See if it's going to move back up. 75. It's got to give back above 88. It has to. 88 and then 700. Where's Ben? I want to talk about this new setup, Ben. Oh, you know, I'm not even looking at... I should just minimize this and then go back to YouTube. Place image on the... is there separate settings on the bot when using a funded account? No. They're the same as what you would use on a cash account. I don't know why I tagged you and I didn't say. Well, it's okay, Miguel, because if you still need some 90% ones, you can get them. So I think that's the real win here. All right, we're back up. We got above 88. We're at 94 now. Let's go. Let's see if we can get over 700, get to 730. That would be the next stop. 90% will still be great. Remember, you can have up to 20 funded accounts. So you can still get 90% on like a few Apex, like the evaluation accounts, and then just not use them until you need them. Yeah, I know, Jonathan. You must be a fortune teller. So tell me, are we going to go to 730 here? RTY hit again. Nice. RTY's two for two already. Where is my RTY?
Target filled.
Oh, it's at the bottom here. Target filled on something. You know, my RTY turned off with that whole thing. That's why. Because I had too many. I literally had like 4 different things. Nice RTY. Two for two on RTY. Now we just need NQ and ES to move up. Back above 88 here on NQ. We got to stay above 88. There we go. Back to 90. See if we can get back above 700. RTY is moving. RTY's been moving all week, though. Like, even the past few days, RTY had been moving. So, 2 for 2 on RTY on the algorithm. We are still in longs for ES and NQ. We have to push up for NQ here over 700 to continue this move up. And it has to also stay over 88. And
Order
it's
filled.
back under 80. Look at that RTY collapse. Also, the government is kind of at a standstill here, so we have to see what happens with them. These are such upticks. Like, all right, back to 83. No. We're trading the futures. Futures, this is the Russell on the futures market, also the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Also, gold, oil. Gold had a loss this morning. I hit that. Be really nice if NQ would come up here and give us this win because my head is throbbing. But I think that's from other things. I just have a headache. Yes, John, I just said that. NQ and ES are still in longs. RTY is 2 for 2 so far. Gold had a loss for $300. I was mentioning we need to get above 88. We were above 88, and then it just went back below 88. 88 is, to me, the magic level on NQ here. We have to get... Nope, it's back under. It's like at 70 now. Do you see this level? Do you see how strong this is? It's really having a hard time staying above 88. Because 88, and then you run into like 90 and 95, but we can pull back up. It's just you have to be patient. And this is why I tell you guys not to watch the algorithm. Because if you watch it, you're probably going to get yourself out early when there's random days like this where a trade might take 7 minutes instead of 5 seconds. But the key on this one is we really have to get back above 88. The code for 90% is save 90. Their codes are always just save 80, save 90. You can always use save 90 and see if it works. Even if it doesn't work, it will give you whatever the best sale is at the moment. All right, we're back at 87, 89, 90. Let's go. Can we push this time? Let's go, NQ. We need some people cheering on NQ and ES. We need some likes on YouTube. There's only 30. I mean, there's 30 people in there and there's only 13 likes. Let's go. All right. We're back at 700. Let's go. Well, I don't know why I'm pushing the cash because nothing actually happened yet. But we need to get above 700 and go to target. Come on. Let's go, NQ and ES. Let's go, NQ and ES. You can do it. Push. Let's go. We got to get above 700. Come on, NQ. You can do it. Push, push, push. I wonder if I should put that ticket, no, that ticket thing up here. I know you guys like to look at that. I like to look at it too, the order ticket, so you can see the price. Here we go, 91, 90. We got to get above 700. Let's go, NQ. Get above 700. You can do it. You can do it. You have to get above 700. It's fucking 88. Get above 700. Oh my God, that 88. It literally went to 700. Come back up. Come back up. It's fucking NQ. Today is a tug of war for sure. It's just like bouncing between this area. You have to understand, like, whole numbers are hard. 700's hard and 88's hard. But if we can stay above 88, it's so good for this trade. But then it keeps just dropping back down to the 70 area. Back up, 73, come on. 73, 75, 80. Get back to 83. Save 90 is clutch. Yes, Bruce, people did. Back to 75. Also, I have Santa on. I don't think it's taken any trades. Why does that sound like that? Oh, it did. It took one trade and it was a loss for $200. All right, I think I'm going to get stopped here. Well, bouncing back up. 69. Not me, busted some accounts yesterday. Yep. A lot of people busted accounts yesterday, but there were people that were green. I was red yesterday as well, but there were several people that were green yesterday, adding in the mentorship, and that's a thing. Thank you. The mentorship really helps people to see what's happening and to decide maybe they want to add to their position, they want to lower their position before it happens, they want to take a manual trade after the algo has taken maybe a loss like yesterday afternoon. When NQ later had a loss, then they were able to trade manually and get that back. We're back up at 83. Can we get back above 88? We got to get back above 88 and then over 700. We have to get over 88 and then 700 for these plays to run out. Let's go. 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 83. Come on. 88. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You can see it at the bottom here.
Order filled.
Was that RTY? Again? Is RTY in another long? It was RTY. I think I have too many on my RTY. RTY's in a long too. Let's go. Let's push. Let's push. So NQ, ES, and RTY are all in longs right now. We got to push. We got to get above 88. Above 88. RTY hit again. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, so Bruce, the risk is listed in the spreadsheet. If you don't want to have that much risk, then you need to lower your sizing, trade micros, or just not run as many setups. We're at 91. We're at 91, 94. Let's go. Let's go. Can we get back above 700? Push, push, NQ. Push, 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 NQ. RTY is now 3 for 3, and it's a Thursday only play. Like, we know what is happening over here with this RTY. Let's go. Now we just need a push. We're at 95. You can do it, NQ. You can do it. Push, push, push. Get over 700. Come on. I want 730. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it, NQ. Push. Just push. You can do it. You can do it. I promise you. I promise you, you can do it. Come on, NQ. Push, push, push. We're over 700. Push, push, push. RTY's been 100% on the week. Let's see. 3, 6, 9, 10 for 10 trades this whole week, RTY. Charlie, your account probably hit your drawdown because we're still in this trade. Oh, no. What, on that one swipe down? We're back at 700. Oh, because that was the flop. But remember, Jonathan, we changed the ES settings, and you haven't done that yet. So that's the issue with ES. Remember, ES has only gone to 1 now. Okay, you changed it back. Okay. Okay. I move this up. This is so tight. This 700 has so many sellers. It's insane. I'm just gonna... Oops. I tried to move that too quickly. It's like it just can't get above 700. Zoopy, 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 zoopy. What was the student play? Oh, it didn't get all the way back there. See, that's why I still want the 730. There's secrets. Secrets in the group. Not that it always gets back right now, but... Frustrating. Let's see if, so it's just going to have to wait. Is there another report at like 10 a.m. or no? Your RTYs are not triggering. Make sure you have the settings correct, Michael. Have Irma check your settings, please. My early never took the long and then took the short. Oh, well, there you go, John. No, I thought you said Powell speaking at 4 p.m., not 10 a.m., right? 4 p.m. I really think this is going back to 7:30. Like, I want the 7:30 so bad. I might be being a little stubborn about it, but I'm green 700 on this long now. 825. All right, it hit my trail. What time is it? 9:50. I probably should have sold there. Yes, Jen, thank you for reading that. We are live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, then 2 to 3 p.m. This morning is a little crazy. She did. They were right. She did. So I'm talking to Michael, not Bruce. Y'all, if your RTYs are not triggering, then there's something wrong with your setup, because RTY is easily 2 for 2 in the third long now. Moving up, we're above 700. We're at 703, 705. I'm green 500 on this long now. Push, 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 push. 706, we're going to 730. I told my members we're going to 730, 725. So if your settings were right, then you need to look at something, because RTY, make sure you're on the right contract. Green, $970 on this long here. 820, let's go. See, that was that push we needed. Finally. I got some of that. I knew that long was happening. It went to 16. What do we want in the group? 25? So I got the long twice, and now I'm trying to catch the short. I think it's my time zone settings. Yep, that was covered in video 1 when you signed up. Your time zone has to be right on your VPS, and your time zone has to be right on NinjaTrader. If not, you're going to get different trades. RTY is now 3 for 3. Grand Racing, what's your name on TikTok? Live_BoldBot. Lana, if the trade's going so should we be... No, you should never be manually exiting them. Never, never, never. Y'all, these setups... Hey, Lysandra. How are you? These setups are... Hold on, I'm waiting to see if I'm going to add here. These setups are anywhere from 85% to 99%. Like, that's their win rate. So you as a trader are not going to know better than a algorithm that does that well. So it's always best to just not watch, risk what you're willing to risk and understand what the risk is, and then kind of go from there. Because if you're running too many things and then you're feeling overwhelmed, you're feeling like too kind of strapped, or you're busting Apex accounts, then that's obviously a problem. That my ES is still in that long. Is that accurate? You're back. Nice. So excited to have you back. All right, we're at 30. Didn't I say we were going to go to 30 with NQ? Just have to believe. That break of that 700 just took way too long. Yes, R2Y is 3 for 3. Remove from thread. Yes, yes, yes. It was in, I mean, from the thing, but in the regular thread is fine. R2Y is 3 for 3. You sent me an email. Okay, Amy's probably going to respond to it. I am on the live stream, so I can't respond to emails right now. I'm on YouTube and TikTok, and I'm trying to manually trade off of the student call play. If you're a student of mine, we get together every morning from 8:45 to 9:15 to break down the NASDAQ, gold, and oil. All right? Nah, we have a play. We have a play in mind, HJ. 750 is not the play. No problem. Yeah, sure thing. But Amy will respond. And if she can't, I'll respond in a bit. Zoop, 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 zoop. Hope I can make it home before the play. Yes. It's posted. It's posted. I know. David N. Okay, I'm back. Just showing. Yay, David. You guys, Monday starts Q4. I can't wait. HJ said I'm still in. Is that Heath? I don't know who HJ is. What's your first name? Is it Heath? Good morning, Thirsty Thursday. Let's see some green. Have a good day. Hey, Ricky. I hope you're having a great day. It's supposed to be really nice weather today. I'm playing pickleball, p-ball. Who said p-ball? Like 4 people said p-ball yesterday, and I just can't get with it. I guess I would rather say pickle than p-ball. ES is 2 for 3 on that 3 runner setup. Good to know, Jonathan. Good to know. That is a big part of it, though. Oh, I want to see. I wonder. Oh, these aren't that red. I guess they haven't taken that many trades. They've only taken like 3 trades. I'm actually surprised. Let's see. Oh, yeah, Heath. Cool. That's what I thought. Oh, perfect. That's a nice confluence, Karan. I like it. Pending home sales are at 10 a.m. Oh, thank you, Tim. So there is a report at 10. I was wondering about that. So in about 2.5 minutes, there is a report. Santa in a long green 900. Whoa. Where's my Santa? Oh, yes, I'm in this. Hold on. Let me put it on the scalper setup. Jen, thank you for bringing it to my attention. Green, $855 on this long on Santa. So Santa's had one loss here for $200. Then it had a small win here, like $100, and now it's at a $950 long. Very nice, Santa. I'm telling you, scalpers are coming back into play. They are a quarter four play. Y'all don't listen. Y'all like still don't listen. Quarter four starts on Monday. Santa, and this is a trail stop here. Santa, NQ pink, ES blue, NQ blue, all of those, it will exit itself here, are all quarter four runners. And the risk is so small on these, it's awesome. And this is open to new members. So when you join, all you have to do to get scalper is take a quiz to show that you understand how range works. ES did more than 410 this morning. Nice, Jonathan. Was that ES pink or ES blue or what? But yeah, they catch those reports, ES pink. They catch those reports, those 8:30 reports. They are so good at that. Jonathan's listening. If y'all listen, you put these, even if you put them on simulation just to see how you're doing. Grand Rising. I don't know what Grand Rising is. I don't know why you keep saying that. What does that mean? So if you want to get started, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Green, $1,000 on this long. Again, you can see here it says one. It's one contract, which costs $1,000. So this is 100% gain in this one trade. 100% gain. And this is Santa. We called it Santa because I found it last year in November, like going into Christmas. And it just printed money every day from like November to January. Oh, that was the home sales report at 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock now. Little push there. Green, $1,200. You can move up this stop loss on Santa whenever you want. Like I could move it here if I wanted to. If you want more information, just email us, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, it had 2 trades for ES. Good to know. But I'm telling you, those pinks and even the blues are real chill, but they hit like they really do. I was thinking about running Santa live today too, because of all of the volatile reports and the VIX is going higher. But I didn't. And then I got caught in all of that weird stuff with all of my accounts on range. So still in this long, $1,455. I'm not in this on my account, sadly. Sadly, I'm not. Look at Mike. New accounts off to a good start. All right, Mike. We see you. We see you, Mike. I love it. Oh no, $300. Massive red. $300 is not massive red. Kyle K, 4 more evals at 90% off. 4 past the evals that will be PAs on Tuesday. Nice job, Kyle. He's one of my students. Dana, nice steady day. I'll take it. 400 all of his accounts. But I think Elliot's just going way too hard. I told him this from day one. You are oversizing if you think 500 is a major loss. Come on. You've got to diversify. I talk about this every day. And I even talked about this yesterday. You can't run the same strategies on all of your accounts, because then if you bust one account on Apex, you're going to bust all of them. What do you mean, what's the purpose for Scalper? No, that's just the name of the algorithm. That is just the name. Might as well just call this shit Moneymaker, really. It's in the long, green, $1,520. Who got this Santa run? I need to take a picture and put it in the group. And I moved my trail up, even though I didn't have to. This is with one contract. Imagine if you had 2 or 3 or 5 like y'all put on range. Oh, Jen posted it. Um, 35 con. What do you mean 30? Who's running 35? Who's running 35 contracts though? Yep, Mio said, can't wait for class tomorrow. This was yesterday when he had a loss. He said, algos can't be up every day. It's true. Oh, my picture's still sitting here. Sorry. Green 1600 on this long. But it does suck. Like, nobody likes a back-to-back loss. Last week was kind of funky. This week's funky. I don't know if it has to do with the government shutdown. I don't know if it has to do with that. Like, obviously we had the GDP report this morning, but I feel like that really wasn't that crazy. I'm really trying to, like, figure it out in my head, and I don't know. Like, I honestly am just, like, puzzled. Thankfully, RTY was 3 for 3 today, but it doesn't really help in the others. What? All right, so it took profit there on Scalper. Where's John at? I need him to post a picture. Can you post a picture / instructions on how to update Rhythmic with the max loss settings? Because then this will allow people to put that in. So there's a setup. There's a setup on Rhythmic. My killer is only cash out. I'm super happy about that. Nice job. Gregory hit target on NQ. Yes, was definitely for people who knew what morning helped me to call it quick 900. Much to learn. Nice, Chris. Santo's back in a long. Yeah, I don't discuss charts until you join the group. But this is my auto trading algorithm on the NASDAQ. Oh, if you were asking about the product, I can tell you that. This is the NASDAQ. But I don't give, like, chart details. So there is a setting in Rhythmic. Okay, I'll do that. Look into the Rhythmic Max offset. Yeah, so in like the R Trader, which is like the Rhythmic Trader Pro or whatever, you can put in a max loss for the day. So then, you know, just in case there's like a large report and you have issues, guaranteed green on this long now. in case there's like some weird glitch in Apex or Rhythmic or whatever, and you're in a trade that you didn't know you were in, or there's no protection or something, you know, that can happen every now and then. It's not a common thing, but it can happen. So if you have a max loss situation set up, then you won't be like hurt in that situation. Like, yeah, you'll hit whatever your max loss is. So say you have it at like $2,000. Well, $2,000 is a lot better than $4,000. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you set that up. You can't make it small. Like, you can't have your max loss of the day like $100, because then they're just going to stop trading you when you hit that $100. There's a 90% sale now on Apex. It's on their website, apextraderfunding.com. 90% off. Looks like this. Use the coupon code SAVE90. It's only 7 days long. Oh, are you supposed to use thank you? Is that the coupon code? A celebration sale. No, I think it's still SAVE90. Can we confirm it's SAVE90? Green 300 on this Santa long. Remember, ES early is not a new member play. It is not a new member play. So if you ran NQ early and ES early and you had a loss on one of them or both of them, ES early is not a new member play. And I've talked about this several times. But also the risk is not that bad. If you have one contract and you're risking like $500. But it's not a new member play. Has never been a new member play. NQ early, NQ later, and ES later are all new member plays. That's it. So if you're a new member and you're actually following the color scheme in the settings spreadsheet, then the only thing you would have ran today was you would have ran the overnights, which had no trades. NQ early, NQ later. So NQ later hasn't traded yet. And then ES later. ES later is not traded yet. So the only thing that would have traded so far for you today would be NQ early. Some had a win, some had a loss. It seems like most people probably had a loss. So if you had a loss, save 90 is confirmed. Thank you, Greg. I would think NQ wouldn't be a new member play with the risk. So the risk is high, but the win rate is, what is it, 98%? So if you don't want to run NQ early, you don't have to. It's 97% on the entire year. It's had 11 losses total. So yeah, if you want to be super ultra conservative, then you should be really only running ES later and NQ later. And obviously this isn't advice. But a lot of people then get real anxious and they're like, oh, everyone's running stuff in the morning and I'm not running stuff. Milo, we've talked about this before. It's called the bid and the ask. If you don't know how trading works, you should probably watch a video or two, because the market doesn't just have a boatload of trades to give away. Look at this. There's 3 orders here. There's 1 order here. There's 3 orders here. There's 1 order here. I'm like wheezing. I don't know why. As price moves, it only has however many people are willing to sell or buy at that price. So if you got to target and your target didn't get filled, and I explained this in the group, I have a huge explanation in announcements. Milo, are you in the group? Because I literally broke this whole thing down several days ago. Monday, I broke this down. If you're in the group and you haven't read this, you need to, because it has nothing to do with the bot. It has nothing to do with the bot, Milo. It has everything to do with the market. The market doesn't just have unlimited amount of orders at every price. That's the whole thing. So when you get to a price, like when it comes here to this limit order, it becomes a market order and it's subject to the market. That's how trading works. The market just doesn't have unlimited orders sitting at every price. It has a limit of orders. There's only, and these numbers then equate to hundreds. So if you wanted to sell right here, that doesn't guarantee that you're getting in at 60. You could have gotten in at 62. It's all based on the movement of the market, and especially at the open, it can be really, really fast and volatile. So that all plays into it, and then slippage can happen. So right now, you could say you want to go short at 60, and then the market's moving so fast, it gets you in at 58. That's 2 points of what we call slippage. And now we're in a short. So that's how that works. It's very normal. It happens in every market. It happens in stocks. Like if you go and try to trade Tesla right now, if you say, I want to take one share of Tesla, one long share of Tesla, you will try to get in, say the price is $500. Okay, I want to take one share of Tesla at $500. And then it gets you in at $505. That's a $5 slippage because they don't have people ready to sell you at $500, but they have people ready to sell for you at $505, and that's how it gets filled. You are subject to the market liquidity. This is liquidity. This is saying these are where we have orders for you. And it moves every second of the day. It moves so fast. So that's how that works. So some people could have hit target, and then some people were like one tick away and there was nobody there. And you're also in a line too. So say there's 10 people. I have no idea why I'm wheezing. Say there's 10 people behind, like in front of you. So you want to go short at 53. So you put in your order. But you don't know how many people are in front of you. There could be 20 people in front of you in line. That means their orders have to be filled before your order is filled. It's just like going back to elementary school. You are standing in a line. You don't get served first if you're at the back of the line. Does that make sense? Santa had a loss here. You could have easily have turned this off. So Santa on the day is agreeing $1,200, and it's had 2 losses. But you could turn off Santa whenever you want. So you could have moved your stop loss up. Does that make sense? Finally, to be, but I'm glad I didn't lose. Good job, Nate. Very nice. So that's the thing. Like, people are in line. Also, if you have a slow computer, that's not going to help. Because your orders go to the exchange. When you have live trades, they go to the exchange. The exchange is processing everyone's orders. Everyone from anywhere trading futures. They're all processed through the exchange. So if your computer or your internet is slow and it gets you to the exchange in a slower pace than, say, a really strong dedicated server on the VPS, then you're going to be behind several more people than if you had a fast exchange. Limit orders don't matter. And again, I'm not actually trading Tesla. That was an example. Limit orders are a limit that you're saying, I'm not willing to go short or long until it gets to this price. But when a limit order gets hit, so this is a limit order. If this gets hit at 50, that doesn't mean I'm guaranteed to exit at 50. That is simply a placement of your order, and when it gets hit, it becomes a market order. Limit orders become market orders after they are triggered. Does that make sense? So I'm still not guaranteed, if price comes back to 50, I'm still not guaranteed to be exited right at 50. It might be 51. It might be 50 and 50 cents. Does that make sense? Mike made $28,000 today. Get the fuck out. Jen, I wouldn't be so quick to say that. $780. We're in a $500 short now. Okay, so does that make sense? Apple user and Milo, I'm glad that makes sense. Green, 600 on this short. Green, $600 on the short. Oh, you know, they're probably trying to set up the, I'll have to call them back after this. The tabletop thing. I hit target before the threshold hit. Nice. I'm in the same boat with the last 2 minutes. I know I'm going to say I hit my target over the mix of the blowing house right now. It touches the auto liquidate threshold you're out, even during a trade. Yes, that is true. Yes, that is true, Nick. Green, 800 on this short. So Santa is now green $2,000 on the day. And this is the student play looking like it wants to play out here. We will have to see. Michael made $28,000 today. He just keeps getting better. 2 days ago he made $20,000. Yesterday he made $23,000. Today he's making $28,000. Go Michael. Michael, you have to teach me now. I taught Michael. Now Michael has to teach me. That's how it works. But $5 slippage maybe. No, it's not excessive in Tesla. It's absolutely not excessive. And I'll show you. It's not necessary slippage. Hold on. Let me connect my TD Ameritrade account and I will pull it up for you. Because it's not excessive at all. I used to trade Tesla and there would be 15 points. And that's also because there's no one ready to sell or buy in the place that you want to get in. It is also called, in the forex market, people really understand this. Let me put this on a 5-minute chart or something. Hold on. Let me show you Tesla. This is Tesla loading on a 5-minute chart. And let's see what the bid and the ask is. 240. Okay, so it says 240, 240. Maybe it's a little more tame now. Okay, so maybe 5 is a little excessive. But, so maybe it's more like 10 ticks, 10 cents. So maybe I was being excessive with $5. But the point is, the point of the matter is, you're not going to get in, like even if you put a limit order here at 72, you're probably going to get filled at 82. See how it just jumped from 72 to 82? So it's not going to just be exactly what you want. I thought mine had moved too. Santa took profit there on that short. It pulled back up. So it's green 1200. Well, that was the break-even offset. Oh, there's only 1 day left. Let me go. Yeah, so I guess I'm not really talking about slippage as much as I'm talking about just the gap in the bid and the ask. I'm forgetting what that's even called, but Forex people talk about it all the time. Yeah, the spread. So I'm just talking about the sizing between the bid and the ask. The bid and the ask on futures is very tight. It's very liquid. So, because futures are super liquid. Everyone is trading every single tick. You can see it only moves typically from tick to tick. That was just 2 ticks. But like 00 to 25 is 1 tick. 75 to 00 is 1 tick. So there is no like gap in the spread here. There's no gap. But if you're trying to get in and the market is moving quickly, you're not going to be filled at that exact price. Do you know what I'm saying? So you're going to have, 2 ticks, 3 ticks of slippage along those lines. Is it 28 manual trades? Well, he's a student of mine. Maybe I didn't ask him. Yeah, 2 of those were on. Chart VBS too slow to develop. No, I think a lot of people. Sean had it. 28K. Well, you're back in the group now, David, right? You can DM him. He's really nice. He's also in the chat right now. That ES early that I still have running is green $700. I just had too many things on at once. I'm kind of mad at myself about that. So I missed all of it. I even missed the RTY. I missed all trades. I missed all trades. That's only Fred 200. No matter what. 43. Can I see this? Real-time data. It's only taken 3 trades, around $200. It hasn't taken that many. We'll see how this plays out for the rest of the day. That new setup that I was showing to Ben last night. Not back in yet. I haven't gotten the email. Why not? Did you email David? Because Amy's at her computer. David is saying he never got the email. Are you around? David, all you have to do, I sent you the link. I sent you the link on social media. David needs the... I sent you the link in TikTok last night and tonight. Last night and this morning. They're both green somehow. Interesting, ma'am. Alright, so again, I didn't have Santa live today. We are coming back to our student play. We'll see what happens here. But we're also on the magic line. Was that twice? David, she said she doesn't have any emails from you. Oh. Oh, you paid it. Oh, you're not going to get an email. Oh, never mind. David paid, but he thinks he's going to get an email. You don't get an email when you return, David. You'd only get an email on the initial setup. So you can just come back into Slack. Just go to Slack and it will let you back in. Yeah, so David, you won't get an email to come back into Slack. You just have to come back in. And she will give you access. I got my slice on and done for the day. Thank you, Lauren. Good job, Larry. I took a single contract short here and I made $250. Is Santa in the short? No. Yeah, look, they're like squeezing out anyone that's not going to survive going into quarter 4. Quarter 4 starts on Monday. Tomorrow's the last day of September in the trading, and then Monday starts quarter 4. And I'm freaking ready because I'm sick of that shit. If you're new here, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, showing you my auto trading algorithm. Also breaking down the futures market in general. I forget. I'm actually hungry. Damn, that's My cash account got 8 Apex accounts and I have profit. 2 Apex accounts lost is always the same ones that don't hit. That's That's really interesting. So he has 8 Apex accounts and a cash account, and they all hit target. But 2 of his Apex accounts lost, and he said it's always the same ones. That's really weird. That is so odd. But I'm happy 8 and your cash account hit. I've been playing MNQ and MES on Apex. It will take a little longer, but definitely safer. Oh, that makes sense. Missing student and manual. Lysandra, we miss you. Come back, come back. Well, you said you were. Are you signed up or something? Oh, so BoldBot it is. Yeah, David, I think she already sent you the welcome message, so just come back in. What do you mean, sweet? I'm Miguel. I mean, people in the group that this is the last week before quarter 4. Quarter 4 is the best performing quarter every year. So I'm simply saying that, like, the markets are shit last week and this week, probably trying to get people discouraged trading into quarter 4, and then quarter 4, all the big money is just like pounding all their money in and making a whole bunch of money. So if you don't get squeezed out, meaning if you don't get scared off from this week, and then quarter 4 starts next week, you know, you could be really taking advantage of Scalper, of Santa, of Pink, even of Range. Range does really well in quarter 4 too, but it just seems like this week is a bit of a speed bump before we get there. Kind of like what do they say? Like the fire before the dust settles or something. I don't know. That's definitely not the right saying. I was cleaning my glasses. But you know what I mean. Something like that. All right, in this short, this was the student play all the way 30 points ago. So student play is already green, 30 points here. Yeah, they suck. It takes a minute to find your footing and what works for you. Scalpers are great, so yeah, you want to get us really knowing the risk. I'm still okay to keep going, but 2 days lost. Yeah, no, that is totally agreed. It is not normal. I'm sorry you had to experience that. I think they are trying to rob everyone. Before quarter 4 starts on Monday. Dumb question. If all traders trading the same algo and the same symbols, would they have the same profit or losses? No. Already covered that. They would be very similar, but some might be slightly different. Again, some of these people are trading 20 different Apex accounts. 20 Apex accounts. Oh, Kevin just did premium. But Lysandra back in student access. So what happens is, again, going back to slippage, or like this one guy, Gosti, he ran the same setup on 10 Apex accounts and then 1 cash account. 8 of his Apex accounts hit profit, his cash account hit profit, but 2 of his Apex accounts did not. Again, that goes back to supply and demand. Are there enough orders or people that want what you are trying to give them? If you're trying to exit a trade, say you're exiting a sell, then you're doing a buy. Somebody needs to be willing to buy for you to get out of your trade. Oh, perfect, Lysandra. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very cool. Try joining the old link. So yeah, okay, so David, you're not using the old link. You're simply going to app.slack.com. App.slack.com, and then you sign in with your email and your password. I did not say click the old link. I don't think I ever said that. You just go back in. Done for the day. Student/manual/algo. Lauren rocks. Thanks, Tim. This is where you get to if you're patient enough to get through the storm. And I know it's hard, but if you're using Apex, you're not risking much. You know what I'm saying? And now Apex has a 90% sale. You can get each account, a $50,000 account, for $17. $17. I am going to be loading up. Literally probably buying like 20 today. Let me show you how that works. So you go to apextraderfunding.com. You click on sign up. It will take you down to the bottom. This is what you want, the Rhythmic Ninja Trader plan. The Trade of 8 plans are actually more expensive, which is interesting. You click here, start now, and then you put in the coupon code SAVE90. Let me see. I just want to make sure none of my personal information is here. Well, that's not good. Like, literally, they just like put in my so you go through here, you put the coupon code, and then you have to agree to all of their little terms and services. You push next or okay, and then it will take you to the payment screen, and it will be $17. $17. $1,300 now on Santa with one contract. I should have waited. I would have bought 3 more. Well, now you can. You have a week to buy as many $17 Apex accounts as you want. And that's what you're risking. Oh, I didn't even realize it's 10:34. I'm having so much fun hanging out with you guys. David, let me know if you still have issues getting in. The workspace isn't there, so I can't join. Yeah, so just email me, David. I'll tell you. There's no way for us to send you a link. You have to physically just go in with your username and password. I'll send you the workspace, but just email me so that I'm not putting it here on the private thing. Just email, and I will send you the workspace. You put in the workspace information, and then you put in your email and your password. I'll make sure. I'll ask Amy which one she activated. Did you have a different email? Which David? Well, let me see, because David. It's so crazy because we have 2 David M's. Or did you go by Dave? No. Well, David needs all the files again. Yes, he will. What is his Slack name? Amy's pretty quick to set you up, very quick. Can you get funded with a phone? No, I would probably say not to do that. I would say that's a no. Will these discounts be back? No, they come. I have no idea when they'll be back. But again, they just did a whole month of 80% off, and now they're doing a week of 90% off. This is the best time to get the accounts. They probably won't do it again until Thanksgiving, honestly. They did a big stretch between February and like April where they didn't have any sales at Apex. You don't have to use the accounts right away. If you go and buy them today, got to say I'm also happy. Well, that's good. Better to get 50K or 70K or 100K Apex. It's totally up to you, 5 Spoke. A lot of people in my group really like the $50,000 accounts. They say they're easy to pass, but it also has a smaller trailing drawdown. All right, David, I'm sending it to you now. Let me just double check. Okay, perfect. Sent. I just sent it, David. Amy is so quick. We love her. So yeah, if you're new here, my name's Lauren. We go live every day, Monday through Friday. Look at these huge ass candles. The GDP report came out this morning. Also, the unemployment report or the jobless claims. Also, the government is at a standstill and they might shut down because they can't come to an agreement about the budget. This is nasty. And it's Thursday. Thursday is one of, in my opinion, the hardest days to manually trade. But shit, my students are aggressively flushed down for the short level called out earlier. So clean. Thanks, Ramsey. $800 win. I'm getting the hang of it. Yay, Charlie. Great short call, Lauren. Thank you. Playing out after stop. Back again tomorrow. Both long and short students played out. Awesome. Patience. Patience is key. Wait. What did Tim just say? Hold on. Let me show you guys this. So we go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, then 2 to 3 p.m. on TikTok and on YouTube just in the morning. So this is my student corner. Great short call, Lauren. $800 win. I'm getting the hang of it, Charlie. Both long and short student plays played out. Awesome. Patience. Patience is key. Aggressively flushed down from the short level called out earlier. So clean. The student call plays really helped my bottom line. I used Santa to help me read the market momentum too. Thanks, Lauren. Sure thing. Awesome sauce. I love to hear it. 90% off is the same as getting 10 for the regular price. And I'm not sure what that means. What? Oh, you can get 10 for what the price of one would normally be. Yes, Michael. 90% off is huge. It's huge. We're in this long again on Santa. Green, $220. If you're new here, please give us a follow. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. My name's Lauren. Jen goes live at 2 p.m. She shows you the user perspective. She runs all of these on Apex accounts. We have a lot of members that utilize Apex. It's a really great platform. Again, they're doing a 90% sale. It's only for 7 days. Use the coupon code SAVE90 and you can get a $50,000 cash account for $17. You go down to setup. It's right here. $50,000 account. You put in the coupon code. It's $17. I'm going to be getting like 15 after this live stream. No joke. And then I'm playing pickleball at 1 o'clock. Oh, yeah. It sucks that, I didn't get any of those trades. Okay. This lady, how did he pay? David, how did you pay? I don't know. I guess PayPal. Are we not seeing your payment, David? The website is apextraderfunding.com. If you email me to get more information about my algorithms, all of the Apex information is in the informational email. Green, $500 on this long now. $1,800 total on the day so far. Yeah, well, because she didn't activate you yet. She didn't see your payment. Can you send a screenshot here? She is confused, so she didn't activate you yet. Oh, I thought she said you paid for a premium. What? I thought she said you did. Alessandra paid. Kevin, a Lomax fan. David who? She said David who. Okay, I didn't see an email. Then just wait. I didn't either. David, I don't know. There's a lot of confusion going on here with you. PayPal. Okay, maybe for some reason it didn't come through yet. Sometimes PayPal is a little slow. I'll tell her. He said he paid via PayPal. Can you check the transactions? All right. So yes, the green 365. So again, this is a trail stop that's coded into the algorithm. If I take this and I move it up, I can do that, and then it will exit when it gets here regardless. But we don't suggest doing that. We suggest just letting the algorithm do its thing. If you pay with a bank account, it can take a few days. Maybe that's why. But usually, right, PayPal will usually at least send an email saying that you paid. Oh my gosh, this person Lisa has like 75 questions I need to answer. Hey, back to yesterday. I'm in trouble getting everything connected. Yes, we help you when you sign up. Yes, we help you get fully set up with Apex Algos when you sign up for the Algo. Why is he calling me? For the Algo service. Please click the link below so we can get you started. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. We'll see what this Santa trade ends at. Copy link. Remember, if you're new to the group, you can use the algorithm for $500 for 21 days. It's a paid trial. And if you're returning, then it's going to be the full price of $1,000. Whoa, look at this trade, y'all. Pushing up, pushing up. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We got long here at 14,705. That's a nice entry. And we are chugging. Email me for more information, boldbotllc@gmail.com. No, come on. But I might not be done yet. Not many female traders. Yes, I am one of them. I've been trading for 20 years. And my whole crew is female. Female, female, female. Green $900 on this long. Can you touch on the VPS? I got a trader VPS, but it's kind of slow. So it's not slow. But you can upgrade to the $80 one if you want. Or you can email Marco and get a dedicated server. That's even faster. But it shouldn't be slow. So, again, you should only be using the VPS for your NinjaTrader stuff. NinjaTrader, Rhythmic, Apex, all of that. No. What the hell is... Oh, I'm typing over in my group. So, my group is over here. You guys are over here. I type... What do I type, y'all? I don't know. 90 words per minute at 100% accuracy. But yeah, I multitask. We were talking about my personality last night and how I'm just like, I'm fast. Like I could never live in. I would like to try the bot for 21 days for $500. Perfect. Amy will email you. So yeah, right now, Apex is doing a 90% sale. 90% off, fast as fuck. 90% off. It's $17 to get a $50,000 cash account. Go to apextraderfunding.com. The sale is only for the next 7 days. Use the coupon code SAVE90. Go to sign up right here. It will take you down to the bottom. You click on whatever account you want. You don't have to do the $50,000 account. That's just the example that I use all the time because my members love it. You profit $3,000, then they give you a funded account. This costs $17 for one during the 90% sale. $17. And you can have up to 20 of them. So you could purchase 20 $50,000 accounts and then do something like this. Let me show you what that looks like. Then, like Tim, this is what it looks like. How many accounts does Tim have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can get the copier. You can use the Apex copier or the Replicento, but it would look something like this. Or you can just put every single account on a strategy, which is the algorithm. The bot is anywhere from it depends which one you're running, but anywhere from 85% to 99%. We even have one overnight that's 100%. ES night for the year to date is 100% on the year. We're going into Q4 starting on Monday. That is going to be huge. The volatility steps in, the buyers step in. We are just going to be kind of rocking. So I'm really excited for Monday. Tomorrow's the last day of September. It was totally different dated. And then you paid to. I've not seen an email. Oh, sorry. There are so many Davids. There's so many Davids with the last name M that have been in my group. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. I added him back. It said he paid today, but I've not seen an email. Okay, David, she added you back. Try going in now, and it should work. Bay is giving away free game. I'm so Bay. Who's that? I love that little icon. $1,300 on this long. This is one contract. You can see it right here. One long contract. This is now green. 130% of what your investment would be on this one trade. One trade. up 130%. Remember when I talked about moving the stop loss up? This is why we don't touch the stop loss. This is the trailing stop that is coded within the algorithm. We allow this to do its job. This is the NQ. We allow it to do its job. You could be up, again, on just Santa today, I'm green $2,500. Multiply that times 20 Apex accounts that you paid $17 for. Does that sound like something you would like? I think so. Divergence, did you just join the live now? We're just awesome. So many David M's. Okay, David M is in. Good. He said he is in now. Perfect. Please send him the whole. Please send him all the files. Okay, cool. No, I'm not holding until close. And this is fully automated. It does everything for me. So when it pulls down, it will take me out of the trade when both this line is red and this line is red. So you see how this one is red now? Now if this one turns red and we close under, it will get me out of the trade. You are so late. What do you do? Party all night and then... Yes, Michael wants the mentorship. Let's fucking go. Guys, we're doing a huge workshop in Vegas next year. There are only 20 spots for my students, and 8 people have already signed up. So there are only 12 spots left. If you want to be part of that, number one, you have to have already paid for the mentorship. See how this didn't turn red? It continues to allow us to stay in this trade. If it would have turned red, it would have exited the trade fully at that spot. Who's posting in chat? I'm back, baby. Paper Chaser, stop posting it. You're already violating the rules. You're already violating the rules. Yeah, Jen, I need to take a picture too. Like, what the hell am I doing? I am slacking on my picture taking because I don't post on Twitter anymore because I don't give a shit about Twitter. $2,500 on Santa, 100% hands-free today on one mini. What's $2,500 times 20 accounts? Just tell me that you paid $17 for. No, I have to run my strategy manual, unfortunately. No, you don't. How much have you made on this? What do you mean? Over the course of, like, my life? Today, it's, like, almost $3,000 now. It probably is $3,000 because it was $1,400. Now it's $1,500. Nope, I use a cash account. But you can use a funded account. A lot of my members do. So I was just showing this example of Tim. These are all of his Apex accounts. Hold on, I need to send Michael a link. Well, or let me tell Amy. Zoo. When can you withdraw profits? So essentially after 10, when you do Apex, you pass evaluation. That's the first step. After you can pass evaluation within 7 trading days. After you pass evaluation, you have to trade for 10 days total before you can take a withdrawal. Then you can withdraw twice per month. The first 3 months, they limit your withdrawals to $3,000 or $2,000 per account per withdrawal. And this is all based off the $50,000 account. Does it work on any other platform besides Ninja? No, it only works on NinjaTrader. I apologize. I'm trying to maybe get it on TradeStation, but I just haven't gotten there yet. I don't know if they have the protection that I want. Michael made $20,000 on Monday. He made $23,000 on Tuesday. He made $25,000 yesterday, and he made $28,000 today. And he uses Apex. His family just had a crisis a few weeks ago, and he's come back stronger than ever, been able to recoup the money he lost by not being able to trade those days, and he's back. I'm in the bathroom. I'm trading ES. Well, there you go. I like to hear it. Okay, so look, both the lines turned red, and it took me out of the trade. I didn't have to do anything. It's fully automated. Fully automated. Only works on NinjaTrader. I am green $2,550 on the day on this setup. Let me show you the real-time data. This is the data for today on Santa right here. Let me move it over. $2,550. This is on one contract. It's taken 9 trades. The biggest loss was $200. The biggest win was $1,335. The max losers in a row was only 1. The max winners in a row was 3. 66% win rate. Sharpie ratio, 10.48. Where the fuck is that man about his Sharpie ratio? I will wanted to like smush his head. Not really. That's called abuse, but you know what I mean. So this is what most, hold on, let me show you. This is what most of my members' setups look like. Like when they post in results, it looks like this. So these are all of this is all of Ryan's funded accounts. Make $200, $300 a day. These are Brian's accounts, $600 to $300 on all these Apex accounts. If it says Apex, that means it's a valuation. If it says PA, then that means it's a funded account. This is John. Kyle, he only manually trades, but he's doing so well. William, Jonathan. So here's Brett. You can see the difference here. Do you see how some say Apex and some say PA? If it says PA, these are fully funded and this money is his and he can withdraw it. Okay? See that? I have another, Tim, done for the day. I have another member that shows, this is when Michael made 20K the other day. Oh, down bad. I didn't even bloop you. Bloop, 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 bloop. All right, so here's Tony. Tony's a good example too because he shows the PA. So, and you know, members don't have to do this, but it's appreciated. It's appreciated. So the PA, all of these are funded for Tony. All of these. So he made $300 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 accounts. What's $300 times 16? In one day, he made $4,800 running my algorithms on his Apex accounts. These Apex accounts, he paid $34 for each of them. That's it. Now they're doing an even better sale where it's 90% off. So it would be $17. Look at Carlos, all algo. These are all of his accounts. $200, $300 across those. So again, you can have up to 20 Apex accounts. That's why Apex as a prop firm is the best one because they allow you, this is John. He made $20,000 in the last 13 days. He has 6 evaluation accounts and today I completed day 9 of trading them. And then he said, I'm blown away. This is the least stressful trading he's ever done. So $20,000 from September 13th to September 26th on his Apex accounts, 92% win rate. Let me show you Michael, who's about to get the mentorship. Michael, this is his deposit in his bank account. His bank account was given a deposit of $40,000 from Apex. $40,000 on Apex. His bank account before that deposit was $606. If you want more information on the auto trading algorithms or my mentorship, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. He said, in case anyone ever has doubts that Lauren is out here changing people's lives, much love, BoldBot family. Here's to our bright future. Once you build a cushion on an Apex account, it's just lights out. There's nothing else you need to do. You run the algorithms or you manually trade or you do a little bit of both, and then you're just withdrawing every 2 weeks. This is Glenn. So he has a mixture of $50,000 accounts and $150,000 accounts. And then these are his gains or losses there. And again, we have red days. Yesterday was a red day. Some people had a loss today. You know, this is great and this is the norm, but do we have red days? Absolutely. I use only a cash account. Actually, I'm going to buy a bunch of Apex accounts, but I typically don't take them very seriously. That's why I just don't usually do it. This is my cash account. I have a $10,000 cash account at all times, and I make typically 7 to 10, 12% every single day. Like this is 12, over 12% in one day using the algorithms on a $10,000 cash account. So you can use a cash account or you can use Apex. It's totally up to you. Or you can do both. You can have a cash account. No. I got taken off. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up. It's 10:57. TikTok tried to get me. Appeal, submit. They're out here today. All right, have a good day. We'll be back at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll see you then. Thanks for joining.